This video will show you how to assess a student who has submitted their template that has been attached to a live text assignment using the assessment rubric, which has also been attached to the assignment. In your faculty dashboard, find the assignment that you're ready to assess. You'll notice that the yellow indicates the number of students who have submitted their template work and are ready to be assessed. The red shows the number of students who have not. In this case, we're going to be working with an ALPS PBA assessment. This is the same for all assessments that have templates attached to them. Our demo student has completed their template and has submitted this assignment, so we're going to click on their name. You'll notice this is the name of the template that was attached that the student has completed, and this template shows up in this space below so we can read through the template as we use the assessment rubric. When we click on the assessment rubric, you'll notice in this case we have 3 separate rubric submissions that we need to complete, so we just click to expand the rubric, and then we click in whichever level of achievement the student has had for each item down the side. If you make a mistake, it's simple to just unclick and re-click on a new area, or clicking in a new area a new level automatically changes the scoring for that. If you need to make comments, this blue comment button here will open up a comment section where you can add individual comments on each part if you choose. You'll also notice that the total points that the student has earned, if you have points assigned across the top for each level, the point value that the student has earned on that section will appear below. So we just continue to do this. Also, one other shortcut that we can have is while you have a rubric open, if a student received the exact same level on all of the items over here, we can simply click on that level indicator and all of the item pieces will be marked at that rubric level. Again, we have the same ability to add comments. When you're done scoring the rubric, you simply close out. One other thing that you can do with the assessment rubric is you can undock that rubric from that area, and then you can enlarge it and have a larger view of the assessment rubric. Once you're done, insert the grade. Remember that the grade in live text is primarily a grade of percentage earned, especially if you are using the Canvas grade return in live text feature for this assignment. So you'll want to put in the percentage grade that the student earned of 0 to 100. So you may have to do some calculating based on the total number of points that the student earned. You can also do overall comments here for the work that the student completed in addition to work for each item level. Once you are satisfied with the grading and the assessment rubric that you have completed, all you need to do is click on Submit Assessment. This student has now been assessed, and when you go back to your dashboard, you'll notice that on this particular assignment we have a student in green, which means we have completed the assessment for that student.